Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video I am making to show the configuration of this controller. This is AZL Siemens controller, AZL22 This is a controller. From here, if you want to know the information, you will press this button. This is info button and this is enter. Above it is enter, it is press button. See, whenever there is any errors here above, these errors above it will show. Now this dot HP it is in programming mode. In information mode, this line will be on. In setting mode, this line will be open. So if we press for 3 seconds, let us come back. Now we have come back. Now it is up, yani it is connected to the PLC, and now it is off. We want to on this to run the burner. How we could do this is, if you press both, this is escape for pressing both. This is one button for up, this is for fuel actuator, and this is for air actuator. If you want more fuel motor will be from here. You can do more from here. You can adjust the air actuator. So now we will see, if you press this for 3 seconds, it will go to the info mode. This is info mode in 167. Actually everywhere you have to now you have to go to these codes where you can know what these codes are. It is available in a manual. So this is in auto, and this 167 code is for any actuator position like this. If you want to move to the next option, it is 162, 164, 163, 167, 113. All of these are this is the value and this is the parameter. 107 parameter, the value is 330. 108 it is 1, 102 2. Now if you want to come back, we'll press these. Now it is back. If you press this for if you want to reset this, we will press this for more than 8 seconds. It will be reset. Now if you press this, it is set now. Because why? There is no error, so now it is set now. So we will come back, and now if you press both of these, it will come here. Now if you press this, now it is set. It is 400. In 400 there is a 400. This is a parameter. How you will set? If you go to set reset here, from here, see, this is parameter 400, and from here you can and it is the next parameter 500. It is parameter. It is the actual values. It is the history. This is the data and end. Now it is initiation. And from here you can, if you want to go to the initiation, how you will initiate it? You will press this. See, this is parameter. This from here, this you can run this. From here you have a parameter. You have a set. Set means it is now. It can start. If you press this, it must start. Now we will come back to the parameter. We will come to initiation. If you press this, now this 50 is some parameter. 55, and this is the parameter. This is the value. This is parameter and this is the value. This is parameter. This is all of these you have to observe from the manual. If you press this. Now if you press this, if you want to run this, you will press this. But now it is demanding config, and now it has went to the configuration mode. You first of all you have to configure this controller. After that it can run.